Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? So if you've seen the last video, then you know that this is part 2 of this ride along. So part 1 was my nephew riding the supercharged riding in the supercharged G35, aka this car right here. And now we're gonna be throwing him into the 350Z. For those that are new to the channel, basically build LS3 is in this thing. So yeah. Currently, he's saying that the G35 was the fastest car he rode in, but now we're gonna, throw him in here and see what he thinks of this. This car does make, say, maybe 90 horsepower more than the G35, so, but it does make a lot more torque. So let's move this thing around and get this car in, because I'm leaving this car at the shop. And yeah, so maybe I'll just pull it in front of Aaron's car. That way we got a clear path out. Let me back Aaron's car up. Ugh. Aaron gonna come in and be like, car hella far back. That's plenty. So this car and that car both got the same motor, so supercharged DEs in both cars. And this car and this car is the exact same car, but my car is wide body, different kit on it, louvers, different wheels, and all the other stuff. So basically this is what a stock 350Z looks like, and this is what a wide body heavily modified one looks like. This is like when you're on level 99, when you're on Need for Speed and you got to get your, your 10-star credits to, you feel me? So you gotta put the maximum amount of effort and kit into it. That's what this is. But this is when you like start the game and they give you the beginner 350Z and you don't have money for a body kit, but you just got the money for the motor and you're trying to win the races. So that's what this is. But this is still a fast car. This car is nice though. But you feel me? I be trying to tell him he needs to level up his wide body. Let's warm this thing up first. Woo! What you think of that sound, huh?
Oh my goodness!
What you think of that sound, huh?
It's faster. I already know. It's faster. It's all over faster.
Chomp, 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 chomp,
It's
chomp.
literally growling at me.
We need to find a microfiber. I need to wipe this thing off though. We can't be riding around hella dirty like this. All right, let's close this up. when I tried to go into gear, it wasn't going.
Yeah.
There's this little plastic piece shaped like a ball, and the bottom of the shifter is shaped like a ball, and it sits in it like this. So since we reused the old one, what's happening is the shifter, when you try to grab it into gear, it wants to pop out of that little bowl. So I need to get a new one. It's almost like your arm popping out of socket. Look, it's a Corvette behind us. If he wants to race, we're gonna kill this fool.
I see him too.
It's the same kind of Corvette I got. Oh, let's see. He don't wanna race. Oh, there he go. Let's see if he gonna go. Pull up. If he do decide, we'll give him a hit as far. See this big turn up here? This is gonna be grip. When I start turning, you'll feel like you plan it. You'll see this is what grip is, alright? So this turn says 50 or whatever, right? Watch. So that turn says basically slow down to 50, and we just did it at, and we could have went faster. But you see how I feel like the car was planted? That's like what having good tires will do. You don't have to, you know, sometimes probably when your dad be driving and he do a turn too fast, it's like,
Yeah.
that's because the car doesn't have enough grip to maintain that level of speed. So what's happening is the front wheels are sliding out. So anytime you hear the front wheels sliding out like that, it's not a good sign. It means you're slipping and you're losing traction. So you ever see people go and they crash?
Yeah.
That's how that happens. I'm ready, nigga. Let's go.
Hey, I've been watching you for dumbass
last impressions. What you think? What you think? What you think? Huh?
Fastest car by far I ever rode in. Best ride ever. All of that.
You didn't feel like I was about to crash?
Nope. You can drive. You have a 5-star rating.
A 5-star rating. Uber.
Yep.
So yeah, you know, me and my nephew just rode around, had a little bit of fun today. So I'm gonna be calling this a day. I'm probably actually about to run out to Santa Rosa and drop some parts off for the Corvette. I got some new braided brake lines all the way around for it. So I'm gonna probably go out there, drop that off, and just to check on the final progress, but I'm not about to vlog it. Like I said, the next time y'all see that car, it will be a startup video and possibly some dyno stuff. So anywho, we outie. Until next time, thank you. So everybody that's watching, you know, like, subscribe, drop a comment below, let me know what y'all think.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you